In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete emails in Gmail. Whether your inbox is cluttered or you're simply looking to streamline your email management, this guide will walk you through every step of the process, making it simple and efficient. Let's begin by accessing your Gmail account. If you're not already logged in, head over to gmail.com, enter your credentials, and you'll find yourself in the familiar surroundings of your primary inbox. Now, our task today is to clear out those emails you no longer need, which can often pile up quickly and overwhelm your space. Once you're in your inbox, it's time to put Gmail's powerful search feature to use. This feature allows you to efficiently find and select groups of emails that you're ready to part with. Click on the small search bar at the top of the page. If you know which emails you want to delete, such as from a specific sender or containing certain keywords, type those into the bar. Alternatively, you could search using timeframes by entering dates or using terms like older than 1Y to find emails older than a year. With your targeted emails in view, direct your attention to the top of the email list. You'll see a small checkbox located above the emails on the left-hand side. Click this box to select all the emails displayed on that page. However, if your intent is to delete more emails than what appears initially, look just above your emails where you might see an option that says, Select all conversations that match this search. Click this link to select every email that fits your search criteria. Having selected the emails you wish to delete, make sure to review your selection briefly. It's always a good practice to ensure that important emails aren't mistakenly included in the list. If everything seems correct, you can now find the trash can icon, readily visible in the toolbar above the messages. Clicking this icon will send all those selected emails to the trash. Remember that emails sent to the trash are still recoverable for up to 30 days. To permanently remove them and free up space, it's a good idea to navigate to the trash folder. You can find the trash folder in the left-hand menu. You might need to click more to see it. Once in the trash, you can choose Empty Trash Now to permanently delete all emails in this folder. Be certain about this step as it deletes emails irretrievably. And just like that, you've completed a bulk deletion of your emails in Gmail. Take a moment to savor your newly decluttered inbox and enjoy the added efficiency a clean slate brings to managing your digital correspondence. Remember, keeping these steps handy will make future email cleanups a breeze. Thanks for joining today, and happy organizing.